Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back here with another organization video. Today's video is going to be my organized vanity tour. This cabinet right here is my vanity, which is where I store my makeup, skincare, some jewelry, tools, etc. So I'm going to show you how I've organized everything. But just before that, if you're new here, hi, my name is Astha. I make home and lifestyle related videos on this channel and I post every week. So if you're into it, please do consider subscribing. Now let's get into the video. So this is the vanity space that I have here. There are these 4 glass shelves that are quite spaced apart, which give me ample space to store everything that I want. I'm starting with the second shelf here. I have this double layer clear acrylic organizer which comes with 2 different containers stacked on top of each other. So one is the single compartment and another one has like these 3 smaller partitions. It also has a lid on top, which is great, and I'll put the link for it in the description box if you want to check it out. So in the top container here, I have my foundation, my primers, and I also have a makeup remover. Now in this one here, I have some essentials like cotton balls, these thin cotton wipes, and some cotton swabs. They come in very handy while doing makeup or when I want to remove my makeup. At the back here are these 2 bins. One of them has all my nail paints. I have my nail polish remover here and these nail polish wipes that are easy to put it in your purse and carry them, and they also have some oil which is very hydrating for your cuticles. This other bin is like my self-care bin. I have some sheet masks, some nose strips, cuticle oils, my mani and padi tools, some tissues there. This is an electronic callus remover from Havers. I got this last year and this has come in so handy this whole year because we couldn't go out to get pedicures done. So it was really good to have it, just to maintain the feet, and it's very easy to use and does the job really quickly. Then there is this at-home facial kit and this small pouch here which is usually in my purse to keep sanitary pads to take on the go. It's a perfect size and you can even slip it in your denim pocket. So that's my self-care bin. On the right here I have my Guess perfume which I really love. This bottle is so pretty, and then couple of body mist, one from Bath and Body and one from Fab India. In front of that, I have this cute little trinket tray, which was actually one of my DIYs. I made this using air dry clay and then I painted it. So I use it to store some of my rings and also, just to put some of the jewelry that I remove and put at the end of the day, so that, I don't end up leaving them here and there and end up losing them. So it's just all here, at least, especially, earrings and stuff like that. So yeah. Now moving on to the next shelf, just below this one, I have majority of my makeup here. I have this brush holder which has 3 different sections. In the bigger one, I have all my makeup brushes. These copper ones and the purple ones are from Real Techniques. The white ones are from Color Bar, and there are some more brushes from Vega, I think. Now in the front 2 smaller section, here I have mostly my eye makeup related stuff. I have mascaras and my favorite ones are these 2. This one from MAC that came in a set. The wand is really good and it doesn't clump up at all. Another favorite is this one from L'Oreal. It's called the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. If you're going for that dramatic look, then this is the mascara for you. I have 2 other mascaras here. One's from Sephora and one is the Maybelline one. There's also my eyelash curler here. And on the other section, I have my kajals, eyeliners, brow gel, concealer, eyeshadow base, all eye related stuff again. Now in this organizer here, I have all my lipsticks, lip balms. I also have my makeup sponge at the back there. Along with that, I have my Deborah eyebrow kit and my Maybelline Fit Me compact because I need those to be easily accessible. There's also one sharpener for some of my lipsticks and lip liners. My favorite lipsticks for everyday wear are these Lakme 95 lip and cheek tint. And I think my absolute favorite lipstick of all time has to be the color Blush Velvet from this range. Absolutely love it. But I also love my reds and other deeper shades. Like this one here is Russian Red from MAC, and this one from Color Bar. It's called Sabotage. Really pretty color, one of my favorites. I love wearing lipsticks, and I think this is where my love for makeup started. There are just so many beautiful colors to explore, and I absolutely love each of them. Now, behind these, there are these off white organizers that I got from Miniso. In one, I have all my eyeshadow palettes, bronzing, and other small palettes. There are some blushes, some gel eyeliners, which are probably expired. I should get rid of them. Then, in this small glass holder, I have these L18 lip colors. This is from the Lip Crayon range. I have the whole set, it was a gift. This is the makeup setting spray. This one is from Miss Claire. I've used NYX once before and they were great. This is the first time I'm using this particular brand, and it seems pretty good so far. Then I have this setting powder here and a set of falsies from PAC. In the second one here, I have my face moisturizer, under eye cream, this Nykaa face oil that I'm using these days, and another serum that I haven't started using yet. The moisturizer and under eye cream I'm using are from the Momsco. Then that's lavender oil. At the back, I have some hand creams, eyelash glue, sindoor, and this face razor that I sometimes use to do my eyebrows. Um, then there's also this Aloe Moringa gel makeup brush cleaner, under eye eyeshadow patches to catch any fallout. There are some wet wipes, some extra eyeshadow applicators, and a cream that I was using in winters actually. Yeah, that's about it. In this lowermost shelf here, I have my beautiful display of these ethnic slash fusion earrings. I've built this collection over a few years and I absolutely love them. I bought this earring display stand because I could never find a pair of earrings in the box that I was keeping them in earlier. And also seeing them here makes me want to wear them more often. Behind that, I have this small box in which I have some small earrings like studs and all. And in this pouch here, I have some clip-ons for t-shirts and jackets and some of these hair clips. So these go at the back here. So now this cylindrical box here has my lip liners inside, and over it I have put my hair ties. These fabric ties I got from Westside. Now, in these glass jars, which are sort of ancient, I have them for forever now. I've put these basic hair ties, safety pins, U pins, and some basic hair clips. These are majorly used when I'm getting ready for a wedding or a special, Indian occasion. You can never have too many of these, I think. At the back here, I have this box with some of my neck pieces and bangles, and some of the neck pieces I've also hung them on the cabinet door. The ones that I am frequently wearing that particular time, so that it's easy to just grab and wear. Now coming to the topmost shelf, there are these two baskets here. In one of them I have my hair tools. There's a flat iron, curling iron. I use this DIY tissue roll cardboard holder to put on the flat iron to close it. This way it takes up lesser space. Then I have some extra travel pouches. In this pouch here, I have some extra hair bands that I'm not using as frequently. This is the heat protection glove here. Now here I have some hairspray, hair mousse, shine spray, some heat resistant spray, and hair serum. So basically most of the hair tools are in this basket, and this goes right on top. Now in this other basket, I have this hair roller set. There's another hair curling set that I've never used. I think I should give it away. um, then I have this lovely pouch with some more neck pieces that I'm not wearing currently. This khadi travel set of miniature bottles. This is an artificial gajra which looks really nice. I think it looks very natural also. Some hair donuts and puffs and things like that. um, there's also one lint roller here. So yeah, this is again stuff that I only use for some special occasions, or not so frequently used items basically. So that's why it goes on the top. So yeah, this was all about my vanity. Let's take a one final look at how it looks all together, and then I'll show you some before and after images of this organization also. Alright guys, so this was my vanity tour. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please like, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you want to watch more of my organization videos, please click on this playlist right here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye. I can do it.